make a shorter video. The first one was too long. Got this tape measure up here for reference. This is heavy duty, case 850 loader. Dozer is probably the same. I'm just going to say it's 18 inches long at least, because of that relief valve right there on the double function. Look at the heavy duty bell cranks. There's all your outs. There's your ins and out valves. This is the main one for the hydraulic tank. This is 850 loader. This would be your tilt and blade joystick. This would be the angle blade, and this would be the ripper. Or on the loader, this would be your up and down of the loader. This would be the this would be dump and load. This would be the 4-in-1, and this would be the ripper. I don't know why that was welded right there. My guess is a stick must have hit it at one time, or they didn't want this hitting their hand and they moved it over. I don't know, my dad died. This is an old loader of his. It's parted out because the transmission was removed and the mechanic never came back with it. He owed us money. We found out later he died. But we got the transmission, and the undercarriage was worn. So the 90s case was out, cat was in. Now people want all these parts. Super heavy duty unit. Private seller at gmail.com. Private seller 007 at gmail.com. Sorry. Private seller 007 at gmail.com. My PayPal is the same.